Do you want to purchase tokens at a discount? With ApeSwap's new initiative, Treasury Bills, this is now possible. Hi, I'm Tim, and today I will teach you everything you need to know about Treasury Bills. You might be wondering, what is a Treasury Bill? Each Treasury Bill is a unique NFT that represents the purchased tokens, which vest over a certain amount of time. These bills come in two formats: Banana Bills and Jungle Bills, coming in Q2. Banana Bills offer users the opportunity to purchase ApeSwap's native token, Banana, at a discount relative to the current market price. Behind the scenes, a bonding curve combines with supply and demand to determine the initial price point for the bills. To buy a Banana Bill, a user must first create an LP token by adding liquidity to the DEX for the trading pair that corresponds to that type of Banana Bill. For example, Banana BNB LP tokens are used to purchase Banana BNB Treasury Bills, which yield Banana tokens. To learn how to create an LP token, check this video link in description. So, this is an incredible opportunity for ApeSwap's users, but how are Treasury Bills going to help ApeSwap? Treasury Bills ultimately create protocol-owned liquidity for ApeSwap. Users who purchase a Banana Bill with their LP tokens are selling those LP tokens to ApeSwap, and ApeSwap retains control of those LP tokens. ApeSwap can then use those tokens to generate sustainable returns for the protocol as a whole by collecting liquidity provider trading fees, which allows ApeSwap to scale product offerings and create even more innovations for the community. Back in January 2022, G-Nana voters passed this governance proposal, which included an agreement to allocate one of the 11 banana minted per block to help create jungle-owned liquidity. Leveraging one banana per block theoretically provides an approximate 90% return on emissions from the sale of Treasury Bills alone. If you don't know what return on emissions is, you can watch this video, link in description. When combined with the effects that the LPs that ApeSwap receives for selling Treasury Bills receive trading fees, the ROE of the Treasury Bills program as a whole can be well over 100% over time, which represents sustainable growth for the ApeSwap ecosystem. Each Treasury Bill will be minted as an NFT, which instantly simplifies and creates a secondary market for this new product. Bills will also be a form of generative NFT art, but with a historical twist. Inspired by the history of cryptocurrency and the legends that paved the way, each component of the bill will correlate to a piece of artwork you are generating with your unique inputs. The NFT components are these. Each of these components will have 10 options, as well as an OG version mark determined by the maturation date, meaning that there will be 100,000 unique options for your NFT. To learn more about this brand new yield-generating NFT product on BNB Chain, feel free to read the detailed Medium article, link in description, and to clear your doubts on ApeSwap's social media channels, such as Discord, Telegram and the special Reddit thread, links in description. Don't forget to like, comment, share on social media, and subscribe if you learned something, so that you don't miss the next videos.